does he agree with me that it's really important that the British public understand just how much support the Irish government get from the United Kingdom and NATO for their defence capabilities, and that they actually keep their neutrality without having to pay any contributions? I'm not asking the Minister to send them a bill, but does he agree with me that cooperation, there could be more cooperation on other aspects? The hostile state of the Irish government is taking the United Kingdom to court on the legacy bill, refuses to be involved in trying to get much more information about some of the terrible atrocities when the IRA went across the border. Will he, the next time he meets with the Irish government, actually say to them that cooperation is a two-way process?
Can I start by saying, as a Defence Minister, how proud we all have been of the contribution of the British Armed Forces to what took place in Northern Ireland. So that's the starting point for any of our discussions. Can I just say to the Noble Baroness, you will have seen the comments by the Northern Ireland Secretary at the Northern Ireland Affairs Committee this morning, where he talked about being close to an agreement with the Irish government about dealing with the legacy of the past. And as far as the broader defence cooperation points that she makes, she'll be pleased to know that we are seeking to establish a new memorandum of understanding between the UK and the Irish government by next year.